Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Joshua and today I'm going to show you how to fix sweaty hair without taking a shower. So as you can tell, my hair is pretty sweaty. I don't know if you can actually see it in the camera, but I just finished a quick 5K and my hair is pretty sweaty. Now what I'm going to show you guys is perfect for those of you who, like me, maybe work out on your lunch hour while you're at work, or you just really don't have the time to get your hair wet and then let it dry. So this is a quick and easy way to get your hair clean so it's not all nasty and sweaty when you go back to work or whatever other activity is keeping you from showering and getting your hair wet and letting it dry, either with air or using a hair dryer, which can still take some time. So what will you need to do this? You need a hairbrush to make sure that you get the tangles out. You will also need a hair dryer to help dry the sweat out of your hair. And then last but not least, you will need a dry shampoo. I have the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe dry shampoo and then some Sunbum dry shampoo. Really doesn't matter what product you use, just make sure that you have dry shampoo. All right, so first I'm gonna take the hairbrush and just brush my hair, trying to get all the tangles out of my hair. If you did rinse off prior to working out, make sure that you tie your hair up when rinsing off so that you don't get your hair wet, because obviously that defeats the purpose of making this quick and easy. So getting all the tangles out of my hair so that it's easier to blow dry and then dry shampoo my hair. All right, so next I'm going to take the hair dryer. What I want to do is I have a cool setting here on the actual hair dryer. So I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to use the cool setting and hold that down the entire time. The reason for this is I'm already hot. My body temperature has already been elevated because of the fact that I was just working out. So applying more heat to my head will actually just make me sweat or perspire even more. So I want to try and mitigate that as much as possible. So during this process, like I said, I'm going to hold down this cool button the entire time. So let's get to it. So now that my hair is dry, I'm gonna move on to dry shampooing it. This is optional. You could obviously just leave your hair as is with all the sweat kind of taken out with drying. If you really like the way your hair looks and if it doesn't smell too bad, or you think it's passable for whatever activity or event you may be going to where you don't really have time to actually wet your hair. So for me, I'm gonna dry shampoo because I still think my hair looks a little greasy and kind of gross. And so one thing you want to do when dry shampooing, obviously shake the can first to make sure that you mix up any settling that may have happened in the can. And then what you want to do with the dry shampoo is actually take your hair and part it, and you're trying to actually hit the roots of your hair. Keep it a few inches from your head, spray the root, and then what you'll do is take it, split it again somewhere else, spray the root, and then just keep going till obviously you've gotten all your hair. One of the big reasons you also want to blow dry your hair before applying dry shampoo is that if your hair is wet at all, this will not work like you want it to. It'll actually just clump in your hair, and then you'll have like a clumpy, powdery thing kind of going on with your hair, which is obviously not ideal for whatever you're trying to get back to. So let's dry shampoo the hair really quick and then we'll be done. All right, so last but not least with the dry shampoo, I'm once again gonna take the hairbrush and try and help brush the shampoo into my hair to help kind of spread out the shampoo. What you can do to help with the dry shampoo is actually let it sit on the roots for like a minute or two to help make sure that it really collects all those oils and the grease that may be going on with your hair after workout, to make sure that your hair looks as clean as possible. I'm not too concerned with it at the moment, so I just did the spray and then I'm immediately pretty much brushing right after it is done. Brush, like I said, to help push the dry shampoo all through my hair to really help get it in there and make sure that my hair looks clean and neat. And then I'm just gonna do this to help kind of style it a little bit. And boom, this hair looks so much cleaner and fresher than it did prior to the run. As you can see, it feels great, it smells great, and now I can get off to whatever I need to do, whether it be going back to work after a lunch break or an event where, like I said, you just really don't have the time to hop in the shower and actually get your hair wet. This is a quick and easy way to get your hair clean and get rid of that sweaty gym hair or just sweaty hair in general. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you found it helpful or informational at all, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next week.